Were you also spending a lot of time making YouTube Shorts without getting any reward? Then more money is coming for you as Google is finally rolling out its monetization option for YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, you are watching GetAssist.net, and in today's video I will explain you about the new revenue policy by YouTube where now you can earn money from YouTube Shorts and get your channel monetized by earning views on Shorts. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. Google last year promised to offer monetization options to content creators who make short video content, and this year Google is finally rolling out revenue sharing on YouTube Shorts starting from 1st February 2023. What that means is if you have already signed up as monetizing partner with YouTube, you will be able to earn from the ads paid between YouTube Shorts. Also, this new revenue policy model will replace the YouTube Shorts fund. Revenue sharing on Shorts ad will begin on 1st February 2023, and for this you will need to sign appropriate agreements beforehand. Also, if you are a new content creator on YouTube, you will be able to join YouTube Partner Program either by getting 1000 subscribers and 4000 valid watch hours in the last 12 months, or by getting 1000 subscribers and 10 million short views in the last 90 days. Alright, so here I am on one of my channel's dashboard which is not monetized yet. As you can see, there are only 474 subscribers, so it is yet to be monetized. And now if you will notice on the left where you will see all the options, the monetization option has been replaced by this button that says earn. So if you will click on it, you will see the new revenue sharing policy that has been introduced by YouTube. Here you will see how you can become a partner, the different ways to earn on YouTube, and this also includes Shorts feed ads. So if you will click on learn more, you will get all the information that you need to know about how you can earn through Shorts. Alright, the rest of the options are same, and if you will scroll down further, you will see how do I join, and this section has also been updated by YouTube. This says now you need to reach requirements to apply. The number of subscribers required are the same, that is 1000, but you need to fulfill any one of the following. So I was already working on this channel, so I have already completed some of my watch hours, but now you can see you can also earn 10 million public shorts views within the last 90 days if you want to get your channel monetized. So either you need to fulfill the 4000 watch hours thing, or you need to fulfill the 10 million shorts views within the last 90 days. For the watch hours, you get the time period of 1 year, that is 365 days. But for shorts, you only get 90 days. And within those 90 days, you also need to earn 1000 subscribers. Alright. So that is, it is all about how you can get your channel monetized by earning views on your shorts. You can also select this option, email me. So whenever you fulfill this requirement, YouTube will automatically email you that now you are eligible to apply for monetization. Also, if you want to know more about how this works, you can also go to this support page by Google. Here you will learn more about Shorts feed ads, how you can earn from ads on YouTube Premium in the Shorts feed. So click on learn more. Here you will get everything about YouTube Shorts monetization policies, so make sure you go through it. Alright, and this will begin on 1st February 2023, as you know. So it also says that you will be able to earn money from the ads that are viewed between videos in the Shorts feed. Alright, so make it clear that the ads that will be played after every single shot or maybe 2 shots, you will be able to earn money from those ads. Alright, then it also explains that how you can turn it on. You will need to accept the Shorts monetization module. Alright, you need to accept some terms and conditions. If your channel is already monetized, still also you will need to accept those terms, and then you need to know what content is suitable for ads. You can go through their advertiser friendly content guidelines. Alright, that is a lot to read. And then you should also be aware of this, that is ineligible shorts views. So if you are getting views on your shorts through illegal ways, your views will be considered ineligible. Alright, you will not be able to complete those 10 million even if you have 10 million views on your shorts. So make sure you are uploading original shorts. You are not uploading any clips from movies or TV shows, or re-uploading other creators' content, or if you are getting views from automated click or scroll bots. Alright, so these all views will be considered ineligible. Moving on, you can also learn about how ad revenue sharing works for shorts, so how they will calculate the revenue earned by you if you will upload shorts on YouTube. So they have mentioned 4 steps to how shorts ad revenue sharing works. First of all, they will pool the shorts feed ad revenue, alright, the total revenue. Then they will calculate the creator pool, and then they will allocate the creator pool. As you can see, for example, if a creator gets 5% of all eligible shorts views uploaded by monetizing creators, they will be allocated 5% of the revenue in the creator pool. So they have also explained how they will calculate the creator pool, and if you have got 5% of the eligible short views, you will get the 5% of the revenue as well, and then how it will be applied. So you can go through this information. So there is a lot you need to go through if you are starting your shorts journey on YouTube. So yeah, that was it for this topic. With that, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you have any queries about shorts monetization, you can ask me in the comment section down below. And for more information about how to earn money from YouTube shorts, you can press that bell icon to stay updated about my upcoming videos. With that, I will wrap up this video. Thank you for watching.